Nyamira University was mooted in 2012. And in 2012, up to now, is almost, is it 15 years? 14.
14 years.
14 years.
Yeah.
It has had, in those 14 years, Chi University in Chirigatiabu, in lesser years, Chiakoli Rupaka Chiaveri University, Chairavan. So there was a problem with Nyamira because of Okovrutana here and there. So I was sworn in on, I think, a Thursday. Tugajane president on the Sunday, on the Monday, Karatori Kiavanyoru, Tukwana Navanto, our arrangement into Tugete, University. That is 2024, yes. August. University a president at the University Yachugai. A career presidential directive, University Yagachu, Kiavanyoru. But some people after that, Baganda Kotin, but then at University Kwa, the Kwagachoro. Ekina Kere Kavakotin almost 1 year. To negotiate the Navarro, Baka withdraw. When we went to State House, our was State House, I think September 2025, if I'm not wrong. Naenda Vantuan Nyamira Vatantu and Tutagete, the University Nyamira. At that point, a president Ekaru a directive to the Ministry of Defense. Yaga Ache, the tuition block, Nyamira University, egere the Commission of University Education, they go ahead of a university. Kera toko university, when you the necessary infrastructure, buildings, so we came down immediately, I think after a week or 2 weeks, to break ground in the Ministry of Defense, a university, as we speak, back already the excavation, by rule and say, I think the basement level, there is a floor that is there. I was there the day before yesterday. Tuale korone navanto kurugai gavanto media baro che university kolete kendreta kwa gacho. Kiabanyo school yo Kenya ya very moved to the opposite side of the road. Bansri kwa gache birasi orro asabana ba ucha koraki kucha ko move to mutinyo gatano we so mutinyo ste karaba kolere. So that university he had meeting Avana in September this year. Eko wa mentored na Kisii University guy gas makoleki as more guy gawana patenere. The university has been allocated 200 million from the Ministry of Defense for that tuition block. Yes. But then we have also requested, I think, for 1.5 billion through the normal budgetary allocation. Egere kara ya soire etu arabono its own account so correct. Yes. Yes. So whoever is saying that the university is the same people or the same person. I don't know whether there are many. Those ones who are spreading rumors. These are the same ones. But at the university, I 2012. The Kara 2012 in Nyamira was Maka. And then I thought after Nyamira was 3 days. 3 or 4 days. I sworn in on Thursday, got Nyamira the president on Monday. It was my first job. It was my first job to be given to do. And I'm going to do it. It is going to be done. Yes. The president is coming, we are going to go there. Nera confirming a university in so what about the Vangateyo? Bariganya gitari yang. Barigiri gumutu. Ira toki yang kido kabisa. Because it is university umetali njugu, sio njugu, utaweka kwa mfuko mtu hasiona. You can all go there and look at it, it is there. So those rumors have been sent. Yes. Please tell the people when they ask you to go there.
Is it among the projects?
Yes, it is among the projects. It's actually the second one we'll do after two called Ikonge. The market Ikonge Gari. We'll talk about SGR, yes. Ikonge, then we'll go to Kiavanyo.
You'll tell us about that.
Yes, I will.